Hey, I just wanted to talk a little bit about this ReBel LifePo4 lithium phosphate battery that I bought. It's 200 amps, and it's got the Bluetooth, and it works. It's got a BMS that it's pretty cool right now. I am charging it on this 200 watt briefcase Renogy solar panel. And currently right now in the Arizona sun, I am getting just over 11 amps. My battery was at 75% when I plugged it in at about 7:30 in the morning, and currently it's at about 93%, and it's been charging for just a few hours. So anyway, pretty impressed. Going to be using this in my trailer. I also bought a 200 or 2000 watt inverter that I can run my microwave or whatever else off of. I did hook it up to this battery, and I put a 1900 watt hair dryer on it, and it just ran just fine. I will say the leads got a little hot. I did an amp check on it, and off the 12 volt or the battery here to the inverter, it was running just under 100 amps. So it was pulling it just fine. Really impressed with this battery. Have a camping trip coming up in a few weeks. I'm really excited to use it, and feel like for once, between this and the 200 watt solar panels, I don't know if I'll ever run out of power or ever have to run my generator, because we don't run a lot of stuff in there. I may even bring up that inverter to run the microwave, or I might bring my generator just to run the microwave once in a while. But just really impressed with this battery. Go check out this company. They've got a lot of other YouTube videos that they post about opening the batteries and stuff, but just been really happy with this battery so far. And I live in Arizona, so I'll be keeping it inside, out of the heat of the trailer in the summers. I think I'll get a lot of life out of that. I've still got Makita lithium batteries that have been going for 17, 18 years and do great, because I keep them inside the house in my closet instead of out in the garage or somewhere where it gets hot, real hot. So anyway, check this company out. They're great. They respond real quickly if you have any questions and things. But so far, really impressed with their products, and also the Renogy 200 watt solar panel. I'll go over actually show you a little bit of that too real quick, because that thing's pretty cool. So this is my 200 watt briefcase Renogy solar panel system. Like I said, it's 200 watts. Got it on Amazon for a really good price. Has a really nice heavy duty carrying case to it. I did buy some extension solar cables so I could move this thing around while I'm camping and keep it in the sun. Here's the charger. Right now it's charging about 13.6 volts. You can click here. It's pulling in 11 amps right now. Just since 7:30 this morning, it's pulled almost 26 amp hours, so that's really cool. So anyway, you set this up to a number of different batteries. I just got so tired of those lead acid ones. Always seems like I got a season or maybe two out of them before they were gone, and I think mostly because I would run them way down, especially at night, running some heaters. So my two lead acid batteries, I just would never get any time out of them. So I'm glad to get rid of those. And while I'm camping, I plan on running a lock through this and locking it to a tree or something to keep people from maybe stealing it if we want to go on a hike or a bike ride or something like that and leave the campground. So anyway, I really like this system. I hope you guys too. And I'll go over and show you what I did to the trailer so I can plug my solar panel into it too. So you can see here, I no longer have batteries on the front of my rig. I save about 100 pounds of tongue weight. I relocated the batteries, or this ReBel battery lithium one. I'm putting it under the bed in my trailer here, and I figure if it's in the under there, it'll always stay, you know, warm. It's not going to get really ultra cold. I don't have to worry about someone stealing it. The battery itself weighs about the weight of one of those lead acid batteries. So I've got one 200 amp lithium phosphate battery that weighs about the weight of one of those 100 amp hour lead acids, and I have 200 amp hours of power that I can take all the way down to 0 if I want. I won't hurt it. And the BMS in that ReBel battery also will protect you if you get too cold or if it gets too hot, so it won't let you hurt it. And so what I did in here is I just added into the wiring, and I added these two solar connectors, so I can actually just, you know, run my cables into here, connect them, shut the door. But I ran all that wiring. There's a connection box in here too, and I ran that wiring under a storage slide out thing I had. It's not going to rub on it or anything because it's up off the ground, but then I read that through and then into the cabinet under my bed, and that's where I'm going to store this battery while we're camping and traveling and such. So anyway, hope this is helpful and you find it useful. Have a great day and happy camping.